Welcome to your 10-minute Good Morning Yoga Flow. I'm so happy you're joining me. Make sure your shoulders are stacked over your hips. Lengthen your tailbone down, pull your low abs in. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. And exhale, hands to heart. Sit down deep, pull the elbows in towards the belly. Inhale, straighten the legs, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, pull the belly in, pull the elbows towards your inner core. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, squat down deep, pull the elbows inward. Inhale, breathe in deeply, stretch up. Exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen the spine, stretch up, and exhale, fold forward over your legs. Grab opposite elbows here. Allow your spine to cascade down towards the floor. Begin to deepen your breath in this forward fold. On every inhalation, expanding your lungs in 360 degrees. Every exhalation, engage the pelvic floor and pull your belly button in towards your back body and up under your rib cage. Feel your spine lengthening and more space, stretching out in your low back. Inhale, bring your fingertips up to your thighs, lengthen your spine up halfway. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Bring your hands to touch at your heart. Come up on the right toes. And then bring your right shin on top of your left thigh and squat down. Long low back. So tilt your pelvis forward, engage your low abs, hands to heart. Find your balance. Opening up the right hip here. Inhale, lift your knee up, and exhale, release your foot down to the floor. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up, and exhale, glide forward, heart first, head last. Bring your fingertips forward, stretch your right leg up to hip level. Stay here with your fingertips on the floor or on blocks, or lift your hands up to your heart, or interlace your fingers behind your back, spread across the chest. Magnetize your inner thighs toward one another, straighten your right leg even more. Pull your belly button in and up. Warrior 3. Release your fingertips to the ground and slowly step the right foot all the way back. Pivot your right heel to the floor and slowly rise up, Virabhadrasana 1. Release the arms, spread across the chest. Inhale, sweeping the arms forward and up. Exhale, slowly open the arms up. Inhale, hinge forward. Exhale, lift up out of the low back. Release, straighten the back leg as you sweep the arms forward and up. And on your exhale, bend deeper into the front knee. Bring your hands to the earth, pivot up on the back toes, and bring the knee up high. Bring the knee in between your hands. Coming into Ekapada Raja Kapotanasana. Come down onto your forearms or all the way down to the mat. You can always bring a block or bolster underneath your left hip to keep your hips squared and comfortable here. Slowly rise back up, like you're moving in warm water really slowly. Curl your back toes under and press back. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward dog. Stay here on your inhale, roll forward to plank, and on your exhale, press back to Adho Mukha Shavasana. A few times here. Your inhalation, you glide forward like a wave, shoulders over wrists, Gaze forward. Exhale, press back. Last time, rolling forward, shoulders above wrists. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Stepping the feet to the hands. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, fold. Sit down deep, squat deep, press your knees together, lift up Utkatasana, and then hands to the heart. Coming into the same flow on the opposite side, bringing your left shin on top of the right thigh, squatting down deep, hands in front of the heart. Release the pose. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. And exhale, fold forward, trace the midline to the floor. Find more length in the spine, fingertips to the thighs, come halfway up, and exhale to fold. Bring your fingertips forward underneath the shoulders and swing your left leg up to hip height. Stay here, bring your hands up to your heart or interlace your hands behind your back. Press your hip down, press your fist up towards the sky. Magnetize your inner thighs toward one another. Really press back through the heel here. Squeeze your inner thighs toward one another. Engage the belly and release out of Warrior 3. Step back with the left foot, pivot the left heel down. Coming up, Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Exhale, release the arms. Inhale, sweep the arms forward and uplift up out of the low back. Exhale, spread and open across the heart. Few more times, your rhythm and breath. And bring your fingertips to the mat. Come up on your left toes, pull your left knee up towards your chest, and then ground your knee in between your hands. Square the hips. You can bring a bolster pillow underneath your right hip and fold forward any amount. Slowly, lovingly coming back up. Bringing your right knee back to meet the left. Lift your left arm up, sweep it under the right. Release down towards the mat, stretch your right arm forward. Pull the right hand back, switching sides, sweep the right arm up, sweep it underneath the left, come down onto the shoulder, stretch your left arm forward. Pull the hand back, press into the palm to come up, come into tabletop, and begin to revolve, circle the hips around. And then the other direction. Walk the hands forward, lower your forehead down towards the mat for Anahata. This is a lovely heart opener, relaxes and calms the nervous system. Press into the palms and slowly lowering down onto your belly for Sphinx pose. Pull your heart forward in between your arms. Relax your shoulder blades down your back. Forearms parallel to one another. Engage the thighs so the kneecaps lift. And round, tuck the chin to the chest, walk one knee in and the other for Balasana, Child's Pose. Remembering that you are enough just as you are, likable, lovable, and kind. Coming up, twisting open towards the right, and then switching sides, twisting open towards the left. I'm wishing you a beautiful day full of success, affection, so much love. Namaste.